In today's video, I'll teach you how to pay via credit card on ReelShort. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open ReelShort application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface, but this interface will not be recorded. I'll tell you what to do. In this interface, at bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Tap on it. After that, you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to pay via credit card on ReelShort, what you have to do is select a coin package. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for My Wallet. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the My Wallet interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the option for coins. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for refill. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the store interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see your balance. So right over here, you'll be able to find the coin packages. You'll also be able to see the prices over here. Tap on the coin package of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll have to proceed to payment. Now in order to pay via credit card, what you have to do is tap on this option, add credit or debit card. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but what you have to do is provide the information over here. Enter your card number, expiration date and security code. Also provide your street address. After you do that, tap on the option save card and this particular card will be saved. Now after the card has been saved, what you can do is simply proceed to pay with this particular card. After the transaction is completed, the coin will be deposited in your account and you'll be able to watch the series with that coin. So that is how you pay via credit card on ReelShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.